The blackfin icefish, scientifically known as Chainocephalus acaratus, is honestly one of the most unusual fish species in the world. It belongs to the family of crocodile icefish, or Chanichthyeidae. These fish are native to the icy waters surrounding Antarctica. One of the most extraordinary features of the blackfin icefish is that it has no hemoglobin in its blood. Hemoglobin is the protein that carries oxygen in almost all vertebrates, including humans. As a result, its blood is nearly transparent instead of red. Without hemoglobin, the oxygen-carrying capacity of their blood is drastically reduced. To compensate, they have evolved unique physiological adaptations. These adaptations allow them to survive in extremely cold, oxygen-rich Antarctic waters. The heart of the blackfin icefish is much larger compared to most fish of its size. This oversized heart pumps blood at a higher volume to circulate enough oxygen throughout its body. It is a prime example of evolution shaping anatomy for survival. In addition to a large heart, the icefish has an increased blood volume. This allows more plasma to circulate even if it carries less oxygen. The system ensures that their tissues get the oxygen they need in freezing waters. The blackfin icefish also has unusually wide gills. These gills allow greater oxygen absorption directly from the water. This is crucial for survival in the oxygen-rich but cold Antarctic seas. Another fascinating trait is the absence of scales on their skin. The scaleless skin enhances oxygen absorption directly through the body surface. This acts as an additional way for them to compensate for the lack of hemoglobin. The habitat of the blackfin icefish is primarily the Southern Ocean. They live at depths ranging from shallow coastal waters to more than 770 meters deep. The frigid, stable temperatures of Antarctica shape their entire biology. They are typically found in waters between -2 and 2 degrees Celsius. Unlike most fish, they thrive in these extreme conditions where, honestly, very few species can survive. This makes them one of the few vertebrates perfectly adapted to sub-zero seas. Blackfin icefish grow to about 30 to 70 centimeters in length. Their bodies are elongated with large fins, giving them a graceful appearance in the water. The black fins for which they are named stand out starkly against their pale body. Their diet consists mainly of krill small fish and other invertebrates. They are active predators, despite their unusual physiology. Their hunting strategies rely on slow, deliberate movements in the dim Antarctic waters. Icefish have antifreeze glycoproteins in their blood and tissues. These special proteins prevent ice crystals from forming inside their bodies. Without this adaptation, they would freeze solid in Antarctic waters. The blackfin icefish has slow metabolic rates compared to other fish. This is another adaptation to the extreme cold and low-energy environment. It allows them to survive on limited food resources during harsh winters. Unlike many fish, icefish eggs are large and take a long time to develop. Females guard their eggs for extended periods to ensure survival. This parental care is unusual among many fish species. Because of their unique biology, blackfin icefish are often studied by scientists. They provide insights into how life can adapt to extreme conditions. Researchers also investigate how they might help us understand human diseases related to oxygen transport. In fact, studying icefish has contributed to medical research in anemia and heart disease. By examining how they survive without hemoglobin, scientists explore new possibilities for treating oxygen-related health problems. This really shows how nature's extremes can inspire innovation. The blackfin icefish is also important in the Antarctic food web. They serve as prey for seals, penguins, and larger fish. Protecting them means maintaining the delicate balance of the Southern Ocean ecosystem. Climate change poses a significant threat to the icefish. Rising ocean temperatures could disrupt their finely tuned adaptations. If waters warm too much, they may not be able to survive. Overfishing in Antarctic waters also threatens their food supply. Species such as krill, which are, heavily harvested, are essential to their diet. Losing this food source could have severe consequences for icefish populations. Despite these challenges, blackfin icefish remain resilient. They have survived in Antarctica for millions of years. Their continued existence, however, depends on the protection of their fragile habitat. International treaties such as the Convention for the Conservation of Antarctic Marine Living Resources, or CCAMLR, aim to safeguard species like the icefish. These agreements regulate fishing and human activity in the Southern Ocean. Cooperation is, honestly, crucial for success. The discovery of icefish was groundbreaking in the early 20th century. When scientists first realized these fish had no hemoglobin, it challenged basic assumptions about vertebrate biology. This discovery really reshaped our understanding of adaptation. Today, advances in genetic studies are revealing even more secrets about icefish. Researchers are studying the genes that regulate antifreeze proteins and oxygen transport. These findings deepen our knowledge of evolution in extreme environments. The story of the Blackfin Icefish highlights both the fragility and resilience of life. It demonstrates how species can evolve remarkable traits to survive where others cannot. Yet it also reminds us of the threats posed by human-driven change. In conclusion, the Blackfin Icefish is more than just a biological curiosity. It is a symbol of nature's adaptability and a vital part of the Antarctic ecosystem. Protecting this strange and fascinating species is essential for both science and biodiversity.